afternoon, my dear students. Chapter number 4, Flying Together. I am your English teacher, Monica Das. Today we are going to learn the chapter Flying Together. Already we have learned the poem Teamwork. This is also from the same unit number 2. Okay, what are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bag. These words usually you can hear from your parents or teachers. What happened when you didn't do as they asked you to do? What happened if you didn't do that? What will happen? So they have given a story. By the help of this story you could learn if you didn't obey your parents or teachers, then what will happen? Deep in a forest, deep inside in a forest stood a very tall tree. Tall means height. It's a very tall tree, opposite small. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. Yes, if it is a tree, you can see the branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of flock of wild geese. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Wild geese means this is a type of duck. Okay, they felt safe there because if we are in our home we will feel we are safe. So like that, the tree is the wild geese home. That's why they felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. Not only wise and also old bird. So if elder is giving some advice, you have to obey that, because the elder people have some experience. That's why you have to obey their words. Okay, then one of the geese was a wise and also old bird. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. He saw a small creeper at the foot of the tree, bottom of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. The old wise bird said to them, do you see that creeper? Let us destroy it. We have to kill that. Then the other geese asked, why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. Why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. It's so small. What harm can it do? See, the creeper is so small. What harm can it do? How? It will disturb us. Why we have to kill that? My friends, replied the wise old bird, that little creeper will soon grow. Now it is young, but it will soon grow. As it creeps us this tree, it will become thick and strong. Then it will soon grow. Afterwards, it will become thick and strong. At that time, it will be too hard to destroy the creeper. What of that? Asked the geese. What of that? What harm can a creeper do us? What harm can a creeper do us? Creeper means it's a type of plant. Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb the tree. A hunter can come up and kill us. Well, there is no hurry, they replied. Okay, but it will happen after. Now, there is no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. But the old bird advised, destroy the creeper while it is still young, because if it is young, you can destroy it easily. Now it is tender. Tender means young, it's soft, and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. We will see. We will see, answered the birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Yes, winding means it's way up the tree. It's coming towards the upside the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as the thick rope. So now it's too hard to cut. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. So, this is where the wild geese live. He said to himself, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. The hunter climbed up the tree. With the help of the creeper, he got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They didn't notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. Trapped means caught. Caught means past tense of the word catch. They struggled hard to get out. They struggled, but they couldn't come up. But could not help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. Long ago, I told you before to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning, the hunter will come back and kill us all. We were foolish. Foolish? Fool, opposite of intelligent. Wept the birds. The birds are weeping. We are very sorry. We did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. You must all act to be dead. Pretend means act. Just lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. So, you just lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. This is idea given by the old wise bird. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. He is very happy now. They are all dead. Because the wise bird already told that. So all the birds are acting. They are all dead. He muttered to himself. He is telling silently to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. So, my dear students, you have to obey your parents' advice, order, or your teachers or your elders' advice. Okay? You have to obey. Otherwise, you have to obey. No need to say otherwise because this is negative words. So you have to obey. Then you can reach a good place. Okay, my dear students. Then this story adapted from stories from Sivakumar. The story adapted by Sivakumar. Okay, from stories from, they didn't give that. Okay, new words. Geese, plural for goose. Large web-footed bat. Okay, geese. This word is plural form, so singular is goose. Okay, so geese is plural for goose. Goose is a singular, geese means plural. Then these type of words, large web-footed bird. Creeper, plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. We have seen these type of creepers. Bottle gourd, then the other creepers, you have seen, I know. Winding, go in circular spiral course, okay, circular or spiral course. Muttered, spoken in a low tone. Flapped, move wings up and down. Okay, my dear students, I hope you will understand the lesson clearly. Then in our next video we can discuss the question and answers. Thank you, my dear students. Bye, take care.